How to get premium profile backgrounds on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get premium profile backgrounds on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to get premium profile backgrounds for your Snapchat app, it's very simple. Just go ahead and launch a Snapchat application here, then tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen, then go to Snapchat Plus because this is a premium feature. Once you're here, right here you'll find this option called premium profile backgrounds. So all you have to do is just tap on it, tap on the view option, and over here you'll be able to see all of the backgrounds that are actually premium, right? So right here you'll be able to see all these custom backgrounds that are premium. You can just select the one that you like based on your own needs. You can also see the poses, and you can also see premium poses, and you can go to plus icon and you'll be able to find many of the other options as well. So depending upon what you like, you can just go and select them and then tap the save option here. Once you tap the save option, your profile background will get successfully saved. That's all it takes to go ahead and then get premium profile backgrounds on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.